Are you a fresh graduate, a prospective core member, or you're already serving in whichever state in Nigeria? It doesn't really matter what state it is, honestly. Or you have a sibling, a friend, or a relative that you would want to assist in getting the best place for their primary assignment, where they can earn something like this, like this, like this, or even like this. Then you are the right place, guys, and I'm sure you would want to keep on watching this video and not miss any single details. When I say you don't want to miss any single details, because every part of this video is quite informative, and I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss out on any of them. So guys, if this is the kind of video you'd be interested in, then I think you would want to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's get into it, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nnedimma Aryma. If you're still here, it means you're interested in getting the information I'm gonna be serving out for you guys right now, today. Yeah, guys, so right now I just came back from my CDS, because today is my CDS days, right? So if you're wondering why I have this uniform on, yeah, I said I have to give out info, like quite an informative video to you guys, because a lot of people have been asking me, please, where are you serving, where's your PPA, how much did they pay you in your PPA, because you seem so happy. I mean, if you're serving in a good place, you'll definitely be happy, and I really want a lot of us out there to be as happy as I am doing their service here. So that's why I'm serving out this information to you guys. So grab your copy now. Well, if this is your first time of seeing this face, please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button, guys. I'm waiting. Are you done? Anyways, if you're returning viewers, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys are the real MVP, and I really appreciate every single support and every single click on every one of my videos when I upload them. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. Yeah guys, I know a lot of us just graduated from college and we are either looking for internship jobs or graduate training jobs. Yeah, these are the kind of jobs you would get as a National Youth Service Corps member. And a graduate trainee is like students who just graduated from college or the universities and are ready to start their careers. So whenever you see a graduate training job, it is always great to grab the opportunity. So that necessarily does not mean that you must see NYSC written on it. You might actually see graduate trainee jobs, and if you apply for it, you'll be surprised you're gonna get it just as soon as possible. So my only regret is that I never knew of this means from the onset, especially before going to camp, because I was like, I have people, this and that. Yeah, but after camping and towards my year of service, which of course I'm still currently in right now, I found out this means. And guys, it should surprise you to know that I tried out this means. This right here is like one of them I tried, and I was caught. But I mean, I didn't go for the interview anyways, because I was already serving and I was enjoying the company I was serving at and everything. But yeah, that's aside. So guys, this means of searching for a nice place of primary assignment and getting it doesn't mean you have to search for just one. You can as well search for as many as possible. Can be done even before you go to your camp. Most people apply for this, but yeah, most people apply to different companies before they go to camp, just so they can get a request letter from the companies, which of course they will take to their camp orientation centers and present it to the camp coordinators. Or we just have to ask questions when you get to the orientation camp. You really need to ask questions. Then when you get to your orientation camp, you present your request letter from the company that's requesting your presence in their company to the NYSC coordinators, or yeah, thereabouts, and tell them that okay, instead of them posting you to whichever companies or wherever they would want to post you to, they should instead post you to this company that this company is really requesting for you. They will definitely make their research. Everything has to be legit. No, don't go through the corners. Yes, I'm very sure if you apply, you definitely get from one or two of the companies. Then it's left for you to pick from which of the company that best suits your personality and the skills and knowledge you have. Another one is that if you are posted to Ogun State, you have a plan of redeploying to Lagos State, just like I said initially, that you can take your request letter to camp, right? So you tell the camp coordinators that, okay, this company wants me. I don't think if you are posted to Ogun State, you can actually take a request letter from a company in Lagos to your Ogun State coordinators telling them this company wants me. They would totally reject it, trust me. But even the company would never accept to give it to you, because these companies would want to see your posting letter that you have actually posted to Lagos State, and they are very sure that after camping you're coming straight to them before they give you the request letter. So I'm very sure that you will not even get it if you are posted to Ogun State and you're applying for these companies, right, in Lagos State. They will not give you the their request letter. But if you are posted to Lagos State, then you would want to apply for all of these things. So seriously, you would want, or if you're posted in another state, you would want to look for companies in that particular state and get a request letter from them. So when you eventually get a request letter from the company, you can take it to your camp and tell them this company needs me. So just like what I said initially.
What if I don't have a request letter before going to camp?
So now I think there's a difference between if you are redeploying to Lagos State or any other state, and if you actually camped in Lagos State. Yeah, if you camped in Lagos State, right, obviously it means that NYSC itself is gonna give you your PPA, your place of primary assignment. So you have to go to your place of primary assignment, and if you're the kind of person that doesn't like or appreciate the environment where your primary place of assignment is, or where your place of primary assignment is, PPA, whichever one, yeah, is, you have to get a rejection letter from them. Then when you applied for the job, or you've gotten a request letter for the job you applied for, you can take your rejection letter and the request letter together with you to the NYSC secretariat or your local government, telling them I was rejected, but this company is requesting for my presence in their company. Yeah, so that is for people that actually camped and served in Lagos State or any other state. But if you redeployed like me, you would not be given a place at all, because I was posted to Ogun State and I also camped in Ogun State. Yeah, so on the last day of camping, I was not given any place of primary assignment. The only thing I was given is that redeployment letter. That was the only thing I was given. So when I got to Lagos, I had to present a request letter for the company I'm actually working with right now to the secretariat. So if you're the kind of person that obviously have been posted, right, have been redeployed to a particular state, like me, I was redeployed to Lagos, you will get the company where you have applied for ahead of time, you request letter from the company, and take it together with you to the secretariat, because you have to go and do your documentation and change of state together with everything. That's where you're gonna get everything done.
So guys, for you to gain access to the page, you have to click on the link on the description box. Personally, I already applied to be receiving mails from this particular platform, so I'm going to go through my mails. Yeah, Indeed is the platform. It's just like LinkedIn. It's an LinkedIn as an app. So I think another one is Indeed. So all you need to do is to click on the 3- sign by the top right hand side and click on Find Jobs. Then you can type in this search button NYSC or graduate training. You can see NYSC has 214 new job in, while on the other hand graduate training has some other job in. When you search on that, you can as well change the location, either Lagos State or whatever state, but in most of this video I'll be making use of Lagos State because I'm currently serving in Lagos State. You can as well see the number of available jobs or job vacancies in Lagos State in search for core members or graduate trainee staffs. You can see as I scroll down the page, these are all of them, and the extreme and amazing prices, salary for such jobs. You can see a lot of them. I'll keep scrolling down for you all to see. These are amazing jobs that if you can as well sign up for this platform, you'll get notified when new jobs like this are available. You can as well send to your friends, a lot of your friends that intend serving in Lagos State or are currently serving or wants to change their current NYSC location. But right, this is entry business analyst, right? Entry business analyst NYSC internship program. So in this one, I'm going to job in the job description. You can see, as well as the job opportunities. Says our Nigerian office currently needs smart NYSC members for our business analyst internship program. So you also have to look for the opportunities, the available jobs that suit your skills, your undergraduate programs, and the kind of knowledge you have. Broad general knowledge of core elements. You're seeing your responsibilities, you're seeing your knowledges. You have to be focused on learning existing tools, resources. So you just have to look for whatever fits your skills, your current undergraduate course, and your qualifications in general. Then you click on apply. How to apply is also there. Do well to also check out for when the application is gonna end. Like this one currently says it's gonna end by 16th of March 2022. So if you are fast to getting this, you can as well apply for it. You state your state, your province, your cities, and other available questions. But because I'm not going to be applying for any, that's why I'm not providing any of my details in here. So you can as well do that if you are interested in. And they're also asking for your LinkedIn URL. That is optional if you do have any or not. Right here, this intern recruitment at Vantegral Consulting says, we are seeking NYSC corpers that are looking for PPA to start working immediately. Bachelor's degree is the qualification. So if you like available to start working immediately, you can as well apply for that. And the next one is this tech intern. This one, they're like the tech intern says you can actually, as you can see as I scroll down, minimum grade 2-1. So if you are a graduate of computer science, engineering, mathematics, and other related courses with a minimum grade of 2-1, this is a qualification for you. Awaiting NYSC, or you are currently serving. The candidate should be in their final year, awaiting NYSC, or currently serving. Candidates with 0 to 6 months experience are also encouraged to apply. These are your requirements to apply for this particular job. So there's a lot of opportunities open for every one of you out there. You are not limited to any particular job. There's vast availability for you to apply. You can apply for more than one if you feel like you are qualified for any of these applications. All you need to do is search, make your research, and apply. You can see this one is saying job position, National Youth Service Corps NYSC internship program. Requirements: we are looking for top talent across banking and finance, IT, engineering, civil electronics, electrical, mechanical, computer science, building technology, human resources, and related fields. Interested and qualified candidates should have NYSC call-up letter and be ready to complete their NYSC program, Lagos State. It's as simple, guys. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. You just need to click on the link and make your research. Like, play around with the platform. Play around with the platform. Search for what you're looking for. Search for what you're looking for. These are a lot of availabilities, a lot of opportunities that a lot of you are looking for right now that you have not found. If you even need any form of assistance, you can send a mail to my email address, or you can hit me up on Instagram at the Instagram handle you can see on the screen. And yeah, I will do all to provide as much more information as possible for you guys, because on a regular basis I do receive mails from companies like you can see on the screen right now, graduate trainee jobs that are open for interns in Lagos State with their prizes, a lot of them that are available, and I'm very sure everyone will be quite interested in some of these openings. Please do not hesitate if need arises, but you can also do the research by yourself too. As usual, guys, a lot of people will say cut soap for me, so this is my own part of the soap I'm cutting to as much people that will see this video, and I really do hope it helps you guys in one way or the other. When you eventually get called for an interview and you get the job, then you can get a request letter from the company and take it to the secretariat. Or on the other hand, yeah, most people are quite lucky that when they get to the secretariat and on seeing the request letter that they get from
wherever they got their request letter from. The secretariat officers usually are like, especially in Lagos State, because they don't want their core members serving in any how company that they'll pay them peanuts that's going to be less than 40,000 naira or thereabout. They usually ensure that their core members get paid over 40,000 naira. So if you bring in a request letter from a company that's like promising to pay you less than 40,000 naira, they're going to reject the request letter, and most often give you a good place of primary assignment, which of course I've heard from a lot of my friends that they got their place of primary assignment from the secretariat. But I mean, I'm not quite sure how guaranteed it is, but I'm very sure a lot of people got it from that means. But if you want to get by yourself, then I think you need to consider all of this. So guys, if you really found the video I served for you guys, took out my time to make for you guys, and it was really informative, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, and I'll wait much more informative videos like this one. I know you wouldn't want to miss it, trust me. Like this one on my screen. Please subscribe, hit on the bell notification button, and give this video a thumbs up if it was really informative. Do not forget to share this to as much friends as you have, family members, relatives, prospective core member or core members. Just try to help them in one way or the other, and they'll be glad you did. As for now guys, bye guys.